Hi, this is Tom Prigge with the American Society of Interventional Pain Physicians, and today we're going to learn about the Capwiz system. A Capwiz is a way for you to communicate with your elected officials and key policymakers in Washington about important issues related to healthcare. You can access Capwiz from our homepage, which is where we are right now. The address for that is www.asipp.org. All right, let's go over here to the right-hand side of our homepage, and this is where we have Capwiz set up. We have a letter already set up about the regulatory burdens on physicians, and as you can see, we have a physician Capwiz letter and a patient Capwiz letter. Now, next to the patient Capwiz letter, we also have a Word version of it. Let's go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, this gives you the choice of downloading this. It's just a Word document, and you can print that out, hand it to your patients, have them sign it, and send it off to their elected officials. Now, of course, I don't need that, so I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. If your patients want to save the postage, instead of mailing off the Word version of the letter, they can also access the Capwiz, and we have a special letter set up just for them. Now, the way that the patient Capwiz letter works, as well as the physician Capwiz letter, in terms of the fields that are filled out with the name and the address and things like that, are very similar. Today, we're just going to look at the physician Capwiz letter, but the patient one operates identically. All right, so let's go ahead and click on that, and here we are. This is the physician letter. And let's just scroll down here, and there it is. There is the letter that we have written for you. Now, this letter is completely editable. As you can see, I can highlight the text, I can hit delete, I can add, I can move things around. Works just like a word processor that you're familiar with. All right, over here on the right is where you fill in the fields. You have the places for your name, your email, your address. We're going to go through that quickly here. First, we're going to select a prefix, and you can see we have all sorts of choices here. Doctors obviously would choose doctor, but we also have other choices, Reverend, even the Honorable, Mr., Ms., Mrs. Since I am a Mr., we're going to use my information today. We'll just go ahead and put Mr. on there and start filling in the blanks, filling in the fields here. Very easy to do. Take you just a few moments, and your letter will be on its way to Washington. All right, the email address. Notice here that some of these fields have red asterisks. In fact, almost all of them have red asterisks next to them. Those are required fields. Let's put in Paducah in the great Commonwealth of Kentucky. And our zip here, 42001. All right, so I filled in the required fields. Again, they are the ones with the red asterisks. And there is also a place for the phone number, but there's not a red asterisk there, so you don't need to fill that in. Notice also here that my name's already been filled in. So the closing and the name already filled in based on the information that I just input into those fields over on the right-hand side. Now, let's see who this is going to go to. We have it set up to go to your U.S. Senator and your U.S. House Representative. And that sounds, of course, very generic, but the Capwiz system will know who to send it to based on your zip code. So in my case, that would go to Ed Whitfield, as well as Senators Paul and McConnell from Kentucky. So, we also have it set up to go to Kathleen Sebelius, as you can see, who is the Secretary of Health and Human Services, as well as other policymakers up there in Washington. Very simple to do. This letter is ready to go. So let's scroll on down here, and all you have to do is click on Send Message. Now, I'm not going to click on it today because I've already sent this letter in my name, but you click on that, and your letter is on its way. Very simple to use, the Capwiz system from the American Society of Interventional Pain Physicians. Now, as issues arise, as new healthcare issues arise, we will create specific letters that address those issues and let you know when they are available. The Capwiz system. Thank you for watching.